Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best perfume from Carolina Herrera Mujer, the Carolina Herrera Good Girl Rollerball set. This set is a beautiful collection that captures the essence of modern femininity through 3 unique and captivating fragrances, all conveniently packaged in travel-size rollerballs. The Good Girl collection embodies a daring yet sophisticated spirit, inspired by Carolina Herrera's vision of the duality of the modern woman: bold, complex, and confident. This set includes 3 0.34-ounce rollerballs: the original Good Girl Eau de Parfum, Very Good Girl Eau de Parfum, and Good Girl Blush Eau de Parfum. Each offers a distinct scent experience while maintaining the signature allure that the Good Girl line is known for. Starting with the classic Good Girl Eau de Parfum, this fragrance is an elegant blend of jasmine, cocoa, and intoxicating tonka bean, with subtle hints of almond. It's a scent that balances sweetness and sensuality perfectly, making it suitable for both daytime wear and evening occasions. The aroma is rich but not overpowering, giving you a lasting impression of elegance and mystery. Next, we have Very Good Girl Eau de Parfum, which offers a fresh and vibrant twist to the collection. This fragrance complements the original with a lighter, more playful energy while still maintaining the same level of sophistication. It's perfect for those who want a scent that's both youthful and polished. The final scent in this set is Good Girl Blush Eau de Parfum. This one leans into a softer, more delicate side with floral and fruity notes that give it a light, airy feel. It's an excellent choice for casual days or whenever you want to add a touch of subtle femininity to your presence. One of the best things about this rollerball set is its portability. Each fragrance comes in a compact 10 ml rollerball that fits easily into your purse or travel bag, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or sampling the different scents before committing to a full-sized bottle. The rollerball application allows for precise and easy use, applying just the right amount of fragrance exactly where you want it. The packaging itself is sleek and stylish, mirroring the sophistication of the fragrances inside. With dimensions just under 5 inches by 4 inches and weighing less than 3 ounces, this set is ideal for travel or gifting. To use these fragrances effectively, apply 1 or 2 clicks to pulse points such as your wrists, neck, or behind your ears. For a longer lasting effect, consider applying to damp skin or using an unscented moisturizer as a base. While this set is highly sought after, it's important to note that it may not be available for delivery to every location, so check your delivery options before purchasing. In summary, the Carolina Herrera Good Girl Rollerball set is a must-have for anyone who appreciates a versatile and sophisticated fragrance collection. Whether you're drawn to the deep, alluring tones of the original Good Girl, the fresh vibrance of Very Good Girl, or the soft charm of Good Girl Blush, this set offers a perfect balance of scents that reflect the complexity of the modern woman. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering the best.